Hello, darling. How you doing? Oh, I met you before. You're Susan, right? Yeah, I used to work at the diner, but now I work at a glasses and place. Yes. So that's where I work at now. I work at a glasses place. Yeah, I got my glasses. Yeah. I figured out I couldn't see, so I had to get my eyes checked. And so, yes. Yes. So, how long have you been coming here? Oh, a long time. Okay. Well, I won't keep you. I actually have some glasses to show you. Now these are our retro glasses. And so these are from the 70s, 60s and 70s. So yeah, they're sunglasses. So you're interested in sunglasses? Okay. So these are our retro ones. And then we've got the modern ones. These are smart. These are smart glasses. So you can just put them on, tap the button on the side, and it'll pop up the menu and everything. And you just tap it to turn it off. And then another tap on the side. Yes. So these are smart glasses. Mm. So which one of the two do you like? Okay, so you like these. All right. Yes. Yes, I don't mind. Yes, I'll put them on you to show you how they look. Yes, Susan, it was so good to see you. Yes. Yes. Okay. I'll put them on you so you can see how they look on you. Oh my goodness. Those look cute on you. Yes, they do. I actually like those. So you want to try the other ones? Okay. And these are our retro ones. So, yes. I think you look good in these. These aren't smart. They're not the smart glasses. They're just regular retro glasses. Yes. These aren't the smart ones. Yes. So you like these? Okay. But you want to try the other ones on more? Okay. Oh, and I have another pair. These are our um, French glasses, sunglasses. Ooh, I like these. Yes, those are beautiful. And they fit your face so good. Yes, they fit your face so good. Yes. Yes, they look so. Oh, yes, girl. Mm, mm. You go, girl. Yes. So, you rather have. So you're trying to decide which ones. Okay. Hey, y'all. Which one do you? I like those. Yeah, those are our smart glasses. So you just tap them and they turn on. See, they turn on, and you can talk through them, and you can even answer calls. You can watch YouTube videos. You can watch TikTok videos. Um, yeah, those are smart glasses. I don't have any pair. These are just regular glasses, but these are smart ones. These are smart glasses. Mhm. Yes. So you like those? Okay. So they're gonna run a little bit high because of let me hold on. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put these down for you. Um I'm gonna tell them to stop wiping the glasses because it's too loud. Hey guys, stop wiping the glasses because I'm trying to talk to my client and she can't hear me. So stop wiping the glasses. Okay, they said they'll stop. Okay. So yeah, these glasses are ooh, I can give them to you because they're originally 300, but I can do 295 for these. So I took a little bit off of yeah. I can't give them free. I'm sorry. No. But you can just give me 295 for it. Yeah. So, yeah, cuz these are smart glasses. These are smart glasses. They're not on. I turn them off, but they're smart glasses. So, they're sunglasses and smart glasses. So, they um they clear up when you get out in the sun. Well, when you get out in the sun, they darken, and then when you get into your house, they light up. They clear up. So yeah, okay, and you can talk on these. You can watch videos on these. Um, yeah. So okay, so you're wanting these. Am I right? You're wanting these? No, you want the other ones? Okay. You talking about these? Yeah, I was thinking these are a good choice too. Yeah, girl. Okay. Those are cute. Okay, and these aren't smart glasses and they're cheaper. They're 195. Yeah. 195. And the retro ones are a little bit expensive because they are retro. They're like 400. So yeah, but these are 195 because these have been in the store for so long that the manager wanted to get rid of these, but he said he couldn't find a buyer. So, but you can have these. You can, yeah. These well, we were gonna they were gonna be in the sale. It's gonna be a sale on our sunglasses and our regular glasses next week. So we were gonna put these on sale for 195. So that's the price, but they are 295. They're 295, but the price is 195 because they've been here for so long. Yes. Okay. Yes. So you do want these. Okay. Yeah, I think these are a perfect choice. Yeah, you probably would have got confused with these. Yeah, because these are kind of high tech. And yeah, so you want something simple. Yeah. You want something, that you can just put on the go. You don't have to touch your buttons. Yeah, you don't have to adjust them. And yeah, so you can just put these on, and shield your eyes from the sun. Yeah. Okay. Well, these are the perfect fit for you. Yeah, I like it. I like it so much. Yes, Susan. Yeah, I used to work at the diner. Yes, it was so nice seeing you. Yes, yes, we've got to get together. Yeah, have you been to the diner in a while? You haven't? Okay, well, no problem. I'm working here now at the classes place. Sunglasses and glasses. Yeah, I'm working there now. So, yeah. Okay. Well, I love your glasses. Okay, so that'll be 195. Is it cash or credit? Cash app? Well, be careful with cash app because there's a scam going around. Yeah. So, okay, well, cash at me. I got my phone, so just cash at me on my phone, and um, yeah. Or okay, you want to do Venmo? Okay, well, yeah, Venmo me on my phone. Yeah, Venmo me on my phone. Okay, and I'll uh I'll give you do you want a printed receipt or do you want it electronically? Okay. Yeah, everything will go to you electronically. Yes. Okay. So these are yours. Yeah. You can wear them now cuz you already paid. Yeah, I got it right here. I got your, let's see. Yep, got it right here. Okay. Well, okay. Okay, so yeah, so let's link phones. Okay. So I scan it and receipt is coming. Yes, receipt is coming. Okay, so I love the glasses. They're so beautiful on you. Yes. Okay. Well, you have a great day, Miss Susan. Yes. All right. Bye.